Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pump, Tesla pump, the market rebounded. Bitcoin just came down to a low of 52,500. I added trades down here, and now boom, back to 58k. Amazing. Big congratulations to all of you, and then pull back to 57. Okay, it was weak volume during the weekend, but large volume spike yesterday. Join everyone in the guru chat. There's the market cap 2.1 trillion. 82,000 viewers on Bitcoin Price.live. Fear and greed index still at fear. Bitcoin dominance 53%. Funding fee negative. We're at 57k, but we just had a spike up to 58k. Huge buy came in here. Look at that. That volume there. Amazing. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $617,000 account, which is up $60,000 this week, which is beautiful, I think, around. And I'm going to do trades on Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let me know any tickers you'd like me to analyze in the questions below. And if you saw my posts last week when everyone was crying and we were buying at 52,500, big congratulations to you. My Bitcoin trade at one point when I was adding into the trade was negative 30,000, and now it's in the positive. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals and just got a huge bounce. Tesla up 2.6%, Nvidia 3.5%, Google was down, Meta was up, Nasdaq was up, Pocket was up 3%, Uni up 6%. We were buying a lot of Uni, which is amazing. Doge 8%. I was buying a lot of Doge, amazing. MCRT slightly up, XRP 2%, Ethereum 2%, Bitcoin up 4%, total market cap 3.5%, Solana, BNB World, Bitcoin 57k. Let's go into the weekly charts. The week finished last week with a nothing special candle, no major candle. Stochastic is turning up on the weekly. Stochastic is turning up on the weekly. Wait, can I grab it? Weird. Yeah, stochastic turning up. We are still in this big bull flag, and we are still in the cup and handle. Bitcoin indicator bot, crypto guru bot, still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023, February at 20k, still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot, fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. Let's go closer onto the daily. Stochastic turning up on the daily, big buying volume. TradingView changed the app, so now it's hard to grab these charts, unfortunately, to modify the volume. Stochastic is turning up, and the bearish descending wedge that I talked about yesterday is playing out on Bitcoin. Builds pressure and then breaks up. I'll show you where I talked about this in yesterday's video. This was 23 hours ago. Bitcoin breaks above 55 that I showed yesterday, everyone, in my video. Descending wedge, builds pressure, and breaks out. The base of the wedge, target 64k. And then 24 hours later, boom, we're breaking out of that descending wedge, which is beautiful. Congratulations anyone that watched that video and caught that trade. We spiked up to 58k. Let's go on the 4-hourly clear break of descending wedge, target 64k. If you haven't not yet taken a train to take it from the daily and weekly supports, I would take it from there, and take profit would be, I would open the trade 54,867, stop loss 53,700, take profit 108,000. Risk to reward 46 times. We could lower the risk actually. Enter more on the support here. I would change it to that. Opening 54,549, stop loss 54,071, take profit 105,000 would be the target. Risk to reward 106, risking $477 to make $50,722 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $500,000 profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And big congratulations everyone who saw that video 23 hours ago. 2 days ago I showed that actually, and we're breaking out right above it, which is beautiful. And under the description, you'll see the link to Bybit under the video. $60,000 bonus if you use this link. Now, you have to meet their trading requirements, but it's $60,000 bonus now. Take the crypto master course to learn all this. $333. You'll learn how to trade. You'll learn how to set the stop losses, take profits. You'll learn how to set the technical charts like you saw me do. And also, Bybit is the best exchange for trading. If you've ever been liquidated or you have high fees, Bybit doesn't have those problems. And then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you and a few hundred of you anytime online. Over in my Bybit account is now 613,000. Yesterday it was 565, day before 577, 583. So this week I've made from, I kind of just recovered actually. 614 was my low. So you can see here, this week went from 614 to 565 and now back to 614. So in the last 3 days I went up 50,000, but I just recovered the account. But since yesterday it's up $20,000, $30,000, which is beautiful. This is my Bitcoin trades. If you've been following my active trades, they've been epic. This is when back here I sold Bitcoin at 65. Then I bought down and I started entering a bit too early, but then I bought the bottom and then we've got this big bounce back. Funding fee is still positive, so I am paying fees. The trade was slightly in the positive this morning, but still negative 2,800. However, 3 days ago it was negative $30,000 and I added more to this position. It's a $430,000 trade, $430,754, and it's negative 3K. But I entered a lot into there, 613 in. This is my asset breakdown, and I warned everyone about Doge. I told everyone about Doge, and look, boom, my buys on Doge, perfect. This is when I sold Doge at 11 cents. This is when I bought Doge at 9 cents, and now we're at 10 cents, up 8%. I warned everyone yesterday. Elon's been talking about Doge again. My breakdown, 12% assets of Doge, 200K cash, 38%. So I'm just under 40% in cash, 12% in Doge, 18% in Bitcoin, 13% MCRT, 8% Uni, 6% Ethereum, 2% Pocket. And I that buyers on Doge were amazing because Doge is now pumping out since I bought it. And I told everyone about Doge on X. You can see here. This is my X. I've got 91,100 followers, up 1,000 followers this week. This was me telling about Elon and Doge alert. Don't miss this. Yesterday, 23 hours ago, almost 8,900 people saw this, plus how many views on YouTube? Where is views on YouTube? So 7,000 people. So 9,000 plus 7,000. 16,000 people saw this. Elon Musk, Joe, perhaps you would like to interested in joining the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, D-O-G-E, Department of Government Efficiency. And then I posted like very clearly, D-O-G-E, great department, will go to the moon. This was 1 day ago, we're up 10%. Did you buy the Bitcoin dip, the recent Bitcoin dip, or waiting for lower? This is when 3 days ago when I added more to Bitcoin. After I sold, warned everyone and sold, my buys were set, and I added more to Bitcoin. I bought Ethereum at 2,191. I bought Bitcoin at 53,100, which is beautiful. And you can just see the things that I'm posting. The US has no functional president, has not had one for months. It's barely noticeable and barely matters because there's a permanent unelected machine that runs the government. And then I said crypto for banking plus smart contracts plus AI for overseeing and remove all government bureaucrat employees. Yes, 82%. Vote on that. I'd love to see your vote. America is trying to make an ID and limitations for going online. Australia, which is crazy. These are our kids. You can go there and comment on them, your thoughts about censoring the internet. Perfect bought the bottom again on Bitcoin, Ethereum. This was me 3 days ago. I smell a lot of crying in there, including my own tears. So I buy. That was at 53K and 2,100 Ethereum. And then we just pumped up. Tesla was up 3.7% on the open yesterday. And you can just see all the things that Michael Saylor gives $13 million price prediction on CNBC. $13 million per Bitcoin. Crazy. You can go watch it. So that's these. Let's go to your questions. We are going to 40K. Recession is coming. Don't think so. That was the low on the Sunday, in my opinion. Going to 46, then 42, then 37. Now we're back at 57. Hello, good morning. Hi, James. Can you please take time to do analysis on Litecoin? I have like 20 of them and I bought it at the top. I'd like to see if it goes up. I haven't looked at Litecoin for years. It was when I first was looking at Litecoin, it was in the dollars. Now it's like under $8 or something. Let's see what it is. Litecoin USDT. I'll quickly do onto the weekly. Whoa, crazy. It's almost back to the lows. In 2018, it was $300. Then it came to $29 or $20. Then it went to $130 in 2019. Then 2020 to $20. Then 2021 to $400. Then $100. Then 297. Then all the way down to $40. Litecoin is not beautiful, everyone. Then $90. $80, and now it's sitting at $61. Wild ride. Main support on Litecoin, which is very clear, is this support line. So you only try to get it on this support line, to be honest. I would only try to get it on this support line. So $53, but the volume is dropping off, everyone. So it will make a new low. Big support, I would buy at $40. If you're looking, I don't like Litecoin, to be honest. It was just the copy of Bitcoin. It was the silver to Bitcoin's gold when Bitcoin was released. But $40 would be a big support area, which is beautiful. Let's quickly check out Doge. Doge is breaking out of this massive descending wedge that I've been talking about. And you can see I've been warning about this for a few weeks. This descending wedge has been building, everyone, since 2000. Sorry, it's been building since March 2024. So it's been building for about 6 months, this giant descending wedge on Doge. Builds pressure, and then breaks out. You can learn about it in the Crypto Master Course. So those are your questions. That's my post on X. This is my account now at 612. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, but still up a lot the last days. All the links are down below. And don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There's 147 on view online. People discussing trades, charts, and what's going on in the markets. And Doge pumping out, which is beautiful. Congratulations, all of you on Tesla. We're buying at 140. Doge we're buying the last days at 9 cents or even lower when it dropped down. Bitcoin buying at 53k. Ethereum at 2,100. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Let me know in the comment section any tickers you'd like me to analyze. Congratulations on Bitcoin pumping out, and Ethereum and Tesla and Doge. I've been buying a lot of Doge, which is beautiful. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.